Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of graphene, a material that's been making waves in the scientific community. You might have heard about this super material, but what exactly is it? And why is everyone so excited about it? Let's find out together. Graphene is like a super thin sheet made of carbon atoms. It's a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a two-dimensional honeycomb lattice. Imagine a honeycomb shape but made of tiny carbon building blocks. This unique structure gives graphene its incredible properties. It's only one atom thick, that's incredibly thin. To put it in perspective, a single sheet of graphene is about 1,000,000 times thinner than a human hair. But even though it's so thin, graphene is super strong. In fact, it's about 200 times stronger than steel, yet it's incredibly lightweight. It's about 200 times stronger than steel, but much lighter. This combination of strength and lightness makes it a revolutionary material for various applications. Can you believe something almost invisible can be so tough? And that's not all. Graphene's properties don't stop at its strength. Graphene is also great at conducting electricity and heat. It's even better than copper at moving electricity, which means it could make our electronics much faster and more efficient. It's even better than copper at moving electricity, which means it could make our electronics much faster and more efficient. Imagine the possibilities for future technology. Imagine flexible phones and super-fast computers. Graphene's flexibility and conductivity could lead to a new era of electronic devices. And because it's so good at moving heat, it can be used to cool down powerful computers too. This could revolutionize how we manage heat in electronics. So, how did we find this amazing material? The story of graphene's discovery is as fascinating as the material itself. Two scientists, Andrei Geim and Konstantin Novoselov, discovered it in 2004 at the University of Manchester. Their groundbreaking work opened up a whole new field of research. They used simple sticky tape to peel off layers of graphite until they got a single layer, graphene. This simple yet ingenious method was a game changer. They won a Nobel Prize for their discovery in 2010. This recognition highlighted the immense potential of graphene. What can we do with graphene? The possibilities are endless. From electronics to medicine, graphene is set to revolutionize many industries. In medicine, it could help deliver drugs directly to where they're needed and create tiny sensors inside our bodies. This could lead to more effective treatments and diagnostics. It could make solar panels more efficient and improve how we store energy. Imagine harnessing more power from the sun and storing it more effectively. And it's already being used to make stronger and lighter things, from sports equipment to airplanes. This could lead to safer and more efficient transportation. But there are still challenges. Producing high-quality graphene on a large scale is not easy. Making lots of graphene without any flaws is difficult and expensive. This is one of the biggest hurdles we need to overcome. Scientists are working hard to figure out how to make it more easily. Advances in production techniques could make graphene more accessible. Once they do, graphene could change many industries. From electronics to construction, the impact could be enormous. So there you have it. Graphene isn't just a fancy word, it's a truly special material with the potential to change the world. From its discovery to its amazing potential, graphene is changing how we think about strong, conductive, and versatile materials. Thanks for watching. If you liked learning about graphene, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool science videos. See you next time.